LinkedIn is a powerful tool for showcasing your expertise, building trust, and attracting more clients. In this video, I'm going to walk with you over how you can use LinkedIn to enhance your real estate authority and build a stronger online presence. First, creating educational content on LinkedIn is very important. Start by creating posts that explain complex aspects of real estate. This could be whether you are buying or selling a home. What you can do is you can break down these complex things so that your audience feels more confident and informed whenever they read your articles. You can also use LinkedIn to hold Q&A sessions where you answer common real estate questions. This engages your audience and provides value by addressing their specific concerns. Next, what you can do is share market updates and industry trends. You do this by consistently posting updates on local real estate market. You can do this by talking about market statistics, price changes within the industry. You can also speak about up and upcoming neighborhoods. By keeping your audience informed, it shows that you are on top of the market and it shows your expertise in real estate. Feel free to talk about larger trends in the real estate industry, not just the trends that are happening in your particular neighborhood. This could be technological advancements that are happening, shifts in buyer preferences, or any other item that is not neighborhood specific. When you do this, it shows you are an expert beyond just the local real estate market. Remember, we had said in the first point that you need to create content around simplifying the process of buying and selling. So ensure that you are offering tips around the way, whether it's for buyers or sellers. For buyers, this includes advice on how to prepare for home search. You could offer tips on financing, tips on maybe how to negotiate a great deal or get a house for a good price. Remember to also provide tips for sellers. Sellers would want tips like how to stage a home so that it's able to sell quickly, how to present the home, how to navigate the selling process, what commissions are payable during the process. So find ways of offering tips. And sellers will really want to know how you will be helping them get the best price for their house. When you help buyers and sellers, remember to ask for testimonials at the end. Once you get these testimonials, share them. When you share feedback from happy clients, it shows others that you are experienced and you've helped others get results. Testimonials will then help you to build trust and showcase the personal touch that you bring to each transaction. I hope I've been able to show that success on LinkedIn will be very dependent on you being able to provide valuable content that your audience can apply to the real estate journey. The more helpful the posts that you are putting out are, the more likely that traders will return to read more. If you don't have time to post real estate content, or you need someone to create the content, give the content to you, and then you post it on LinkedIn or in your website, please give us a call and we'll work with you to create the content that will resonate with your current market.